In Lesson 5, Example 2, we're going to use tape diagrams to extend our understanding of comparisons and ratios. The Superintendent of Highways is further interested in the numbers of commercial vehicles that frequently use the county's highways. He obtains information from the Department of Motor Vehicles for the month of September and finds that for every 14 non-commercial vehicles, there were 5 commercial vehicles. If there are 108 more non-commercial vehicles than commercial vehicles, how many of each type of vehicle frequently use the county's highways during the month of September? As in any comparison, we're going to start off by making a tape diagram of the two categories. So after drawing our tape diagram, we can see that there are 14 non-commercial vehicles, which we labeled NC, and 5 commercial vehicles, which we labeled C. The question further says, if there were 108 more non-commercial vehicles, 108 more non-commercial vehicles than commercial vehicles, and we'll stop there. The portion of the tape diagram of non-commercial vehicles that is more than commercial vehicles is the section include all of that, is the section that goes beyond the tape diagram for the commercial vehicles. And if we look a little further at that, we'll know that this section is made up of 14 minus 5 pieces, which is 9 pieces of our tape diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of the tape diagram. And that 9 pieces will be equal to 108 non-commercial vehicles. So we know then that 108 vehicles are this portion of 9, and we can divide 108 by 9 to tell us how much goes into each piece of the tape diagram. 108 divided by 9 is 12. So inside each piece of the tape diagram, we would put 12. And remember, that purpose of the tape diagram is that each piece is equal. So that means that every piece in the commercial and every piece in the non-commercial part of the tape diagram is 12. Now we can go back and answer the question. How many of each type of vehicle frequently use the county's highways during the month of September? So, returning to our original ratio, there are 14 pieces in the non-commercial vehicle section, and each piece is 12. So we'll take 14, multiply it by 12, and we find that 168 non-commercial vehicles were using the highways in September. And since there are 5 pieces in the commercial vehicle portion, 12 times 5, which is 60, commercial vehicles use the highways in September.